Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Newborn baby's body found floating in Waamkra River. Inauguration of Nongse Indoor Stadium marks significant milestone. Momentous day for Southwest Khasi Hills, Urnar viewpoint inaugurated. And police in East Khasi Hills district cracks down on noisy exhaust. And now the news in detail. In a distressing incident, the lifeless body of a newborn baby was discovered floating in the river Waamkra on December 13. The search and rescue team from the Fire and Emergency Service Department, in collaboration with the police of Meghalaya Police Station, swiftly responded to the situation upon the report. Preliminary findings suggest that the infant's body was carelessly disposed of in the river, possibly by the parents. The identity of those involved remains unknown, prompting an active pursuit by the police to apprehend the responsible individuals. In a parallel with a recent unsettling event in Maupat, where a baby's remains were found in a garbage bag on a refuse truck, the Shillong incident highlights a disturbing trend of newborn abandonment. Authorities are intensifying efforts to identify and bring the perpetrators to justice.
डाल दो वो जो आप आने वाला भी डाल दो थोड़ा सर
On December 13, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma led the inauguration ceremony of the Nongse Indoor Stadium, a momentous occasion attended by key dignitaries. The event witnessed the presence of Sports Minister Shakliar Wajiri, Health Minister Ampreen Lingdor and Chief Advisor Hamlet Dorling, among other esteemed guests, including local leaders, officers and representatives of the Nongse Sports Club. During the ceremony, Chief Minister Sangma announced a substantial allocation of 2.1 crores for the renovation and enhancement of the Nongse ground, underlining the government's commitment to sports infrastructure development in the region. Notable figures such as Sports Minister Wajiri, Health Minister Lingdor and Chief Advisor Dorling also addressed the gathering, expressing their support for the initiative and emphasizing the positive impact on the community. In a proactive move, the people of Nongse seized the opportunity to present a memorandum to the Chief Minister Sangma detailing various regional requirements.
Job creation programs. We have programs like CM Elevate program where we are supporting entrepreneurs to start their own businesses. I would like to see this place become active and guide the youth on how you get different schemes of the government. So my message to you today is that while we are doing all this work, this is meaningless unless the community and the society and we all put our heart and soul and effort into really making a difference for our youth. And we can't do it alone. We finish the inauguration program and we leave. But after that, the real work starts. And hence I do hope that in the coming days, this place could be an example to the rest of the city and the rest of the state to show how a community can come together with the support of the government and working with the youth. We can transform, create opportunities and lead our youth into the right direction. Because I keep telling everybody that the youth is our greatest asset and our greatest resource. If we as a state and as a country will succeed in the future, it will be because of the investment we make in our youngsters. So please remember that what we're doing today is not a building inauguration. We are not building an indoor stadium. We are investing in the future of our children. This is the mindset in which we all need to work, and I do hope that we will continue to do that, and I can assure you of full support from my side in order to achieve those goals. I'm happy to announce that you have asked for a stadium and a field to be prepared out here, which is, I would say, the playground that is there, and I'm happy to announce that a total of 2.1 crores is going to be sanctioned for the stadium and for the football ground to be laid out. So our work will continue, and we will continue to do this. I have read your applications. There was a mention about the CHC out here, converting PHC to CHC. We do have a lot of financial challenges, as you're aware. It's not about one-time cost, because once you have a CHC, then you need to provide the doctors, the other staff, and hence you have to make sure that the long-term investment and money is available, not just this year, but every year, to be able to spend. So we are looking into this entire aspect of how we can improve the overall health services out here by ensuring that we're able to improve the overall health facilities. So definitely, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, I request her to definitely look into this aspect, examine, and ensure that all the support is given in terms of the CHC operation that you're looking at. You had asked for, if I remember clearly, the paper is not with me. If I remember clearly, you had asked for also the office for and some support for the dairy, Umlinka dairy project. So that also definitely we are very keen to support it, and I will make sure that whatever help and support can go into making that a possibility. I will definitely look into that. And there were about 2-3 more points which I have gone through. I will definitely examine all those aspects and try to do as much as I can. I don't want to give you a false promise without really going through it. I am a very particular person when it comes to commitment, and when I commit something, I do it. But before giving the commitment, I do my homework. So please do allow me to do my homework. And I can assure you that we will look into the different.
In a significant development for Southwest Khasi Hills District, the Urnar viewpoint located at Maurap, Southwest Khasi Hills District, was inaugurated today by Renekton Tongkhar, the MLA of Maukarwat constituency. The ceremony witnessed the presence of I. Laurinyang, BDO of Maukarwat Sin Adi block, and other dignitaries. Constructed under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA 2022-23 scheme, the viewpoint saw an investment of 9 lakhs diligently executed by the Village Employment Council of Maurap. Additionally, the CMSDF scheme contributed 2,40,000 to the project's realization. Operated by the Sharailang Tourism Cooperative Society Limited, Maurap Southwest Khasi Hills District, the Urnar viewpoint promises to be a new attraction for locals and tourists alike. Addressing the occasion, MLA Renekton L. Tongkhar expressed heartfelt gratitude to those who collaborated for the common welfare. He urged people from both within and outside the state to visit the location and immerse themselves in the breathtaking beauty that nature has bestowed upon the Urnar viewpoint.
Siya kami Meghalaya hiba kaway ya kajingdon sa kanagaway pada ka viewpoint ka batmay hakabangin ya bansdang banyo ban plino mata niskoron bak hakabangin ya banyang hakanaga sni ka mata banyo I ya kajingjok jong kaji persyang kabarut ya kabangin ya on persyang ha tidak isnam ke beladak hausnam khandai hausnam alajar khandai arpau ni layok berwan Peit hang ni kana ka klau hakaba cerman ni ong rada sin man kong dengan layok berwan kesin kabar namar wan Peit nang kong do karang de dan ka klau pada ni hang ni hakaba ni yok banjingo katai kawa nang ni ka bagi yo I ni la sia kiu kiding ban yo I ya katai ki tenat jong ka ksat hang tai hadin katang le hiar sta chapo haduk bagi la poi hadu ong tai po hi ban yo I ki tenat jong katai kawa hakaba bagi la hiar hang tu ka ksat hang tai bagi la hiar kham sharum ro nilai I tenat jong ka kalau perlu nga bersiam bagi juga jumut bangin persyang ban sedang AA ban le AA nang taga ka viewpoint hang ne ban yo ban snai ka viewpoint la kalong ha ka sedang ka barit ha ka bagi yo ban pun kedau nanti na ka skim jo chief minister ha ka bagi yo pun pihak kendet ha ka proposal juga kom MLA ban yo ban bo arlak sistem ban yo ban snai ka viewpoint kawai ka bangamut bangai khublai kerpang ya kalau ya kena kamar sem jong ka jinga trailang ha kena ka jing persyang ka barit ka jungi ban bo ini skim ka barit ban longtong kong ka jing sedang nasgau ban ai khublai kerpang ya kino perjat snong no perjat thau ya kibadai Peit ya kena ka skim chispa sengi nantai ka office jong video ha ka ba kile ya bot lang ya kena ka jing sedang ka jungi ban bo ka skim hangne ban menteri nak kena kaji tray sispas ni. Kublai sibuk ni kena kamu sem jo kaji tray lah. Kamu sem kot tak kata. Iskutran banyak isu show saya kawai dengan projek. Jong kena ka projek jo ka besen. Hakaba kena yo ban perkalan dor kena ka jaka. Ban bo ya kena ka nursery hang ne ban yo ban kini ki jingthong kini ki deng badan hang ne. Kabala maintain bah kumle ka bakalong. Iyo iro kaji kalador jo kaji i bahabreu jo kini ketan riding. Haka baki di riding kilalik shot haka di internet haduk kata tah bagi Peit. Ngasuk kemana dulu kata lah banyo iya kene kaji trelang kamen sem jo kaji trelang. Kindon bon kita ka batum kini. Haka baki yo ban jo kai per thai par kene kita ka jugi kalon ka baponam. Ngak me lenti penadon kaji karnan. Basi sem kasngi. Ki babon ba ki Samla jugi kiria yo kam kiria yo jam lengba na ka tourism. Kini yo kam yo jam, hakaba kini tray haki hotel, kini tray haki homestay, kini tray hakini ki tourist spot, hakini ki viewpoint, hakaba kini akan lulung kala ai kam jam di khon Samla jongi. Akhon gawe ki tray lang yo ke jat benreu, yo ki Samla yo ke karong kathan, ki Samla la ke shang maura, hakaba pilong ka snong ka badon bok, ngalor yo ka jindong kane, ngin persang malit Peit segini gawe ka Onar Falls. Bar kene ki snong yo pi kane hasen tarba hakaba kino jo kai bertai kirwana kena iso jo pi ban Peit yang ji internet jo kilo hokba tang ban supet nang tai na jong lum ban phai ban Peit ki thanong nam haduk kapno ka ji internet ngawan mende ban le hantai halum jitep ban kio kali haduk hantai halum jitep kabai nang yat nang to ngayat kali ban Peit ya ka ji internet jo kena kamar yang barok kawai ngelai sundur ya kidur ki internet haduk kata-kata ngapa hai Mrs. Jonai kadur oh ilai roi ong pi bahabreu do kata ngong dei bahabreu manga ka bahabreu kene ka jaka ilai roi yang aku tan ngong ngam bahabreu re ka bahabreu kene jaka de da kata au kelapen itna hadu kata dan mar kata ini skam na ka ji terlangnya tiga snong ka thau bar pada baro bar ki department ki badan na kene ka distrik ka jogi ni khot ni wer sin pat ku bar finale ya kene ka ya lale ya kene ka viewpoint hang ne ikut niwar di departemen baro haka bagin sa persyang haka bagin yok berdalam kemak nak kalian jongi kumkinong kemak ban lek ban wa ban ai ki ban yok ban sedang la kalau ikin sedang ibarat dengan kliti bekan dia biang kumne haka bagi departemen kin board kenang bagin yo i baki tourist spot baro kindai ki jaka haka bana kalian ka sarkar ni dan menta naleng ka snong ni dan menta naleng jungi kino wikhat ni dan menta bat hangtang yo i ka cinkala jo kare ka dom bathan jumi sai sempat khublai shibon khublai charngo.
In a bold move to curb the rising menace of loud exhaust contributing to noise pollution, the East Khasi Hills District Police took decisive action on December 13. In a symbolic gesture highlighting the seriousness of the issue, law enforcement officials gathered and destroyed 181 exhausts collected from both four-wheelers and two-wheelers by rolling them over with a roller at the police reserve in Shillong. The operation unfolded under the watchful eyes of SP East Khasi Hills, Sylvester Nongtinger, and SP of the city, Vivek Aim. Addressing the media, both officers emphasized the need to control lawlessness among automobile drivers who install loud exhausts, causing disturbance to the public. SP City and SP East Khasi Hills revealed that the traffic police have already initiated measures to identify vehicles producing loud and disturbing sounds due to modified exhausts or silencers. Offenders will face penalties as part of the crackdown on noise pollution.
On the job, we are doing one at a time. You have seen now we have done all this, detected all this modified silencer and so on. So frequently we are checking, even this not only for this, we are checking for this rash and negligent riding also, and sometimes surprise, and sometimes even the nakas we're checking. So we'll continue, and it's not that we have not done, we have done a lot, but we'll continue to do that, to check the people to drive within the permissible speed, be the or the two-wheelers as well as the four-wheelers, but maximum are from the two-wheelers. Shillong traffic teams is working hard to seize all this modified silencer. So you have since last year we started, this year we started from January until date. We have seized 320 we have detected, but then we have seized 181. Previously, when we detected, we request the owner to to remove on their own. But then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181, so which will be destroyed shortly now, and the STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that, and right now, which is and fine also we have
12 lakhs for this year only, 12 lakhs 46,500.
Okay, for this year we realized fines from all this modified silencer about 12 lakhs 46,500, and that has been deposited to the government checker, the state treasury. So that's all, and when we crash again next time, we'll call you again. Thank you.
In a grand initiative, the Meghalaya Chess Association (MCA), led by the All India Chess Federation, successfully launched the first Meghalaya International Open Grandmasters Chess Tournament 2023 on December 13 at the Sai Indoor Training Hall in NEHU, Shillong. The prestigious event was inaugurated by Swapnil Tembe, the Director of Education and Literacy for the state government and advisor to MCA, gracing the occasion alongside Khuborkhasi, the Assistant Director of the Sports Department, and other MCA members. The tournament attracted grandmasters from 11 countries including Russia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Georgia, Vietnam, Uzbekistan, Nepal, and players from various states in India. Meghalaya proudly fielded 7 players in the A category and 65 in the B category, showcasing the growing enthusiasm for chess in the state. The event promises fierce competition and an opportunity for players to test their skills on an international stage.
First page in India.
Since 2017, but my interest in chess started somewhere in 2020 during the COVID years, when we started some kind of activities in East Tarovels and then in West Tarovels. So what I have seen is that we have great talent at the junior level, and our little kids from Tarovels, from khasinews, they are making very fast. So we have started some efforts in that direction. So this is one such step, and the government, we are very thankful to the government of Meghalaya and the Honorable Chief Minister, who could not be here today. He has expressed his message that all the best to all the players, and he will be definitely be joining in the closing ceremony, and also including our Honorable Sports Minister and Director of Sports. So they all will be coming for the closing ceremony. Anyway, so at the outset, I want to wish all the best to all the players. Meghalaya is just taking its first steps towards becoming, something of a regular kind of a facilitator in terms of chess tournaments. So we will be doing that in the future. But really happy to see today that this has come to life. Meghalaya is a beautiful state, and along with chess, I'm sure, I hope you get the opportunity to enjoy the beautiful landscape of Meghalaya, the beautiful weather of Meghalaya, and this is the perfect time to visit this beautiful state of Meghalaya. So I will not take much time. I also want to appreciate all the hard work which Meghalaya Chess Association has been doing.
In a significant development, the Executive Committee of the Khasinews Autonomous District Council KHADC announced on December 13 their decision to present the clan bill in the upcoming Winter Assembly. The bill aims to foster unity among the diverse clans residing in the Khasi Hills. Panyat Singh Aim, Chief Executive Member of the Council, highlighted that the proposed legislation not only seeks to promote unity but also plays a crucial role in elucidating the intricate aspects of lineage, blood relations and connections among the various clans. The move is anticipated to strengthen social bonds and enhance understanding within the community. The clan bill is poised to be a landmark initiative addressing cultural nuances and fostering a sense of shared identity among the clans in the Khasi Hills.
Nakaliang kajungi kumka executive committee hakanika meeting ba lai Shillong natasngi layo banya clan banya tai shibun teliki mat kiba konsan hakabai day bat kajing terekam jong ke executive committee ke pemerintah. Tening kong ni yo ban shim ya karai hakanika isi ya kaban wanra yiki tu kan ni teliki official bill ban pass hapoka house ba ya kaban session kaban long kanika session with the session kaban long naduk ka arko torik arko way but arko art jong NEHU no pra te hakabide kiniki bills kabaningkong ngilaya theory tai bha habede ba administration of clan bill kumba phi tip habede ba kanika bill dangshen hakanika special session jong ka council ka jongi kabalong ka punai ba shipo nilayo ban wanra yakanika bill andre na ka daw jong ka jingdon ka jingya tai ka babun de se ka jing duna hang ni hang tai ya ka ban nakaliang ka yeng hibrok kowe ngila rai ban IT ya ka executive committee ban form ya kowe ka special committee ban study in depth lene ban ngam khamjliu shushu habide bakanika draft clan bill te enrei menta ka singi soban penpau jingkemen bakrau ban pentip shaka ri ga jongi hamtam shikinong shushnong ki belong ki paradok prasnam ki jungi ki kor ki jai khamtam kini ki sengkor ba per ki bela angnur la slem ba kin yu ino ba ka council kan yo ban pas ya kini ka clan bill ringkat ba ka jing menjur na kaliang ulat ke jela te habide ba kini clan bill na kaliang ka committee ka bela clear kum chairman da deputy CM iba PNCM kila dep ban shong ya perkhat habide kini ka benta but nakaliang ka isi ngidang i haka committee but in principle ngila shim ya karai ba ngin paspat ya kanika bill hakanika session ke pemerintah kenang ba ki babun ki jing'e ki bami haki kur ba per haki sengkur ba per kan kanam don let's say ka jing'e ikiniki brio ki jongi habaki dan kam hakanu ka kam jing dan kam juki let's say habai de ba kakur nama ka jing tmu joni ka clan bill hi kalong ba ngin yo ban te song ban penyateli yaki kur ba per hapo ni pori khasi kham tamru ban penbait renti ban streamline ya kerukom terekam jong kiniki sengkur ki ba per hapo ri khasi kumba pitip habangi phai akabai de ba ka tangjat jungi khasi haba u shinrang khasi uyo ya ka lok bomday ka khasi le si ki khun haban tangjat te kaniru kawai ka ba dan kam bhai ka jinge dei bat ki rang bakur te ka clan bill ka kala batai ba kala dunia bhai kita baro te kani dika ka jingmentoi ladang ila men pas ya kanika clan bill.
Don Bosco High Secondary School, Silchar, orchestrated a thrilling showcase of athletic prowess and cultural diversity during the Inter-School Bosco Olympics held from December 13 to 15. 80 schools from Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam and Mizoram participated, turning the Don Bosco school grounds into a vibrant arena of friendly competition. The opening ceremony, graced by guest of honor Dr. Father MC Thomas and Father Babu Stephen, Head of Education and Culture, Shillong Province, set an inspiring inspiring tone. Reverend Father Surjit Tiga, principal of Don Bosco School, Silchar, fueled enthusiasm with a call for active sports participation. Cultural performances by Don Bosco School students, followed by a captivating march past by participating schools, kick off the festivities. The following days showcase athletic talents ranging from sprints and jumps to chess and team sports. Beyond competition, the Bosco Olympics became a cultural exchange platform. Evenings were dedicated to showcasing the rich traditions of participating regions, fostering unity through song, dance, and music. The Inter-School Bosco Olympics was not just a celebration of victories, it was a testament to the enduring power of sportsmanship and the unifying force of friendship. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.